You found the perfect deal. The numbers work, the location is prime, and you're ready to pull the trigger. But then, a cash buyer swoops in and closes before your bank can even finish the appraisal. In today's competitive market, being bank qualified isn't enough. If you want to beat the big players, you need to stop waiting 45 days for a traditional mortgage and start using the bridge. Today, we're breaking down how beginners can use private bridge loans to move at the speed of cash and turn maybe next time into I am the landlord. A bridge loan is a short-term private money program. Unlike a traditional bank that cares about your tax returns from 3 years ago, bridge lenders focus on the workability of the deal. Think of it as a temporary financial bridge. You use it to acquire the property quickly, sometimes in a matter of days, and then you cross over to long-term, move-in-ready financing once the property is stabilized. Actionable insight. You don't need a gazillionaire bank account or perfect credit to start. You just need specialized knowledge and a deal that makes sense. Because bridge loans move fast, your analysis has to be even faster. To decide if a property is worth buying or if you should ignore it, use the 4-square method. Income, total monthly rent plus miscellaneous sources like laundry or storage. Expenses, don't just look at the mortgage. Account for taxes, insurance, and the CapEx, saving for that new roof 10 years down the road. Cash flow, income minus expenses. Cash-on-cash ROI is the return on the cash you put in better than the 6 to 7% you'd get in the stock market. If the numbers hit your decision-making markers, you're ready to pre-qualify. One of the biggest challenges beginners face is knowing if a property qualifies for financing and for how much. You don't have to chase down a broker. To pre-qualify your own deal in minutes, you just need 2 documents: the rent roll, who is living there and what are they paying, and the operating statement, P&L. What are the actual annual expenses like maintenance and management fees? Modern lenders use algorithms to check these numbers. If your deal doesn't qualify for Program A, they often have private money bridge options built right into the system to find the best terms. The pros don't just stop at one property. They use the 2x multiple. You use the bridge loan to acquire the asset. Then you lease it up to full occupancy. Once it's stabilized, you refinance. You pull your initial cash back out and use that same money to buy 2 more deals. This is how you grow exponentially. Every deal you refinance or sell at a lower cap rate than you built it for allows you to capture the delta. That's the profit that funds your next move. The difference between a browser and a buyer is the ability to act fast. Stop waiting for the bank to call you back while someone else buys your dream property. Master your property evaluation, get your P&Ls in order, and start thinking like a commercial landlord.